might be the best Sri Lankan rapper in the whole world. I'm just a good man.
It's not in great condition. There's some old stickers etched into the paintwork. Clean. This is a 2016 Toyota Landcruiser 200 Series GX. At least that's what this vehicle started life as. It's instead been turned into what Australians call a chopped 200, which is where this happens. Now, any reasonable, normal person would just buy a 79 Series Landcruiser, but chopped 200 owners think they can have it all. The luxury, great features and mainly comfort of the wagon-bodied Landcruisers combined with the practicality and utility of a ute. Now what happens is exactly what you'd think. The rear third gets chopped off and a tray gets glued to the back of the car, and there you go, a chopped 200. So what is this car actually here for? We're going to be giving it the works, doing our absolute best to make it look as good as it possibly can. You don't need to take a super close look at it to see that it's not in great condition. The bodywork is super scratched. There's some old stickers etched into the paintwork of the bonnet. The paintwork, generally speaking, is very scratched, super swirly. The first thing to start off with, of course, is a thorough cleaning, decontamination. We're going to be doing everything, like the body, interior, engine bay, undercarriage, getting rid of all of the red dirt, all of these grubby bits in here, and here, and here, and here as well. As I said, paintwork's super scratched, so that's going to be getting as many stages of correction as it needs. We're going to be touching up every single stone chip we can possibly find on the car. All of the accessories are going to be cleaned. We're going to remove as many as is necessary to get access to clean. Basically, we're going to get the car to be as good as it possibly can, take it back to a really nice base, and then we're going to PPF it. And I mean every part of it as well, not just the paintwork, but the sides of the tray as well. It's going to be protected in XPEL stealth paint protection film, so instead of the most generic, boring white that you see everywhere, it's going to be an awesome matte finish white, which is going to look amazing. I'm so delighted the owner has chosen to go stealth. Anyway, that's all I can remember off the top of my head. You're probably sick of me talking, so let's get into it. How do you rate Sean's engine bay detail?
7 out of 11, man. I might be the best Sri Lankan rapper in the whole world. I'm just a good man. This boy.
This boy.
Wir willkommen zum MADinc. Wir sind ein Autofolienbetrieb.
You're going to have to help me with subtitles later.
Yeah, that's right.
Of our multicultural team.
Yeah, that's it.
This morning, Push has decided that he doesn't want to wear his MADinc uniform because it's too cold. So from now on, all shots of Push will be blurred.
Yes. Get my back boy.
So there you have it, the finished product, entirely decontaminated, paint corrected, washed maybe, I don't know, 3-4 times over the course of the work. Protected now entirely in XPEL Stealth paint protection film. It looks so much better than it did before, and it gives the car just a striking finish anyway, something a little bit different to the normal factory gloss paint that you would see. Something different for the tray as well, protected in the same stealth film. Let us know what you guys think of the project in its entirety. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you with whatever project we have coming up.